A satisfied customer is a customer whose needs and expectations have been met and who is happy with the level of service received. Customer satisfaction is also defined as the customer being happy with the product and service that they have been supplied with. It is how the products and services provided by an organization meet or surpass customer expectation. Customer dissatisfaction is when the customer's needs and expectations have not been met and the expected level of service has not been received. It can also be the case that the customer is unhappy with the products or services supplied. Customer dissatisfaction can be caused by poor service, lack of product knowledge or advice, lack of communication, lack of staff, lack of product selection or availability, or poor premises. Customer dissatisfaction can result in a customer complaint, customers telling others of their dissatisfaction, the customer not returning to the organization, the organization's reputation being damaged, and the customer losing trust in the organization.